Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix GTA 5 error no launcher. Alright, let's begin. First, open the folder where GTA 5 is installed on your PC. The location depends on where you installed the game. In my case, it is inside the gaming folder under Grand Theft Auto 5 Enhanced. Once the folder opens, scroll down and look for the file named playgta5.exe. Now right-click on this file and select Show More Options. After that, click on Send To and then choose Desktop to create a shortcut. Next, go to your desktop and right-click on the newly created GTA 5 shortcut. Click on Properties and locate the Target field. Move your cursor to the very end of the line, add space, and type No Battle Eye. Now click Apply and then OK to save the changes. So that's basically how you can fix GTA 5 error no launcher. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.